just off work, back home, and I'm gonna start cooking. In fact, I've already started. Gonna make a soup, vegetable soup. Practically, I'm gonna call it whatever you have in the fridge soup, and bordering on chili soup. In fact, I've already started, and I almost burnt the onion, which I left without any water, without any oil, without anything, on the fire. So I'm gonna put it back on the fire now, and well, I'm gonna put it back on the heat, pour some water, and get that boiling. Now the idea behind this is to have a quick as possible recipe. You've seen from previous videos that I don't like to spend too much time. I love cooking, but generally I'm always racing against the time. So in this case, it's gonna be one of those quick hodgepodge of soup, but hopefully it will be still really tasty. That's all I'm gonna have for now. If I feel more hungry, I just put in another later. But after this, I'm gonna have some oats, so might not be a problem. But smells, ooh, that smells delicious.
Always been rags, chrome pipes,